Hello techies! Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Employee view means what it says. It enables the view. It enables the view. Access to the people profile, employee profile. Sections in the employee file. So it only give you the visibility of the section. So you did. These are the sections, right? These are the sections. So what employee can see we up to which section manager can see up to which section that is controlled from where it is controlled from the employee view. Suppose if employees should only view up to this, one compensation, other payroll and everything should be accessible from for the manager, not for the employee. Okay. So in that case, how the permissions can be controlled for the view sections from here. Employee view. Okay. Got it. Yes.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.